In the Dharmapuri village of Madhya Pradesh, over 700 houses along the Narmada River are bracing for the worst as the Narmada Control Authority has given a nod to install gates at the Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat. This would increase the dam's capacity by 2/3 and Narmada's water level by 17 meters. The Narmada Bachao Andolan activists say this will submerge 193 villages in Madhya Pradesh and 19 in Gujarat. Siddharth Ranjan Das reports.
In Dharmapuri, 700 houses along the Narmada all bracing for the worst. After the gates are put up at the Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat, the water level of river Narmada is expected to rise by 17 meters, which would mean 193 villages across Madhya Pradesh will be completely inundated in water. Now, the Narmada Valley Development Authority is claiming that they have done their best to rehabilitate the people, but on the banks of the river Narmada here, we can see people still living here refusing to leave. Some, like Lakshmi Bai, are stubborn, refusing to move out. Her house was washed away in the monsoon last year. Though the government has allotted a plot to her, the 50-year-old has chosen to rebuild her house instead. The looming danger ignored because she says the land provided to her is not suitable for construction.
रोड पे हमको अच्छी जगह प्लाट सरकार दे देगी तो हम वहाँ चले जाएंगे। तो क्या करेंगे? अब क्या करें फिर हम कहाँ जाएंगे? यहीं पे डूबेंगे और क्या करेंगे? अब जाना तो किधर है नहीं।
In this village of Badwani, the battle is over compensation. The farmers here say the money they were offered for their land was just 1/5 of the market value. Deepak Mandloy has been fighting since 1996. Out of the 40 acres of land that he owns, more than half is in low-lying areas. Nearly 2 decades ago, he was offered only 12 lakh for the land. Mandloy even approached the Supreme Court, which ruled in his favor, saying he should be allotted fertile land within 3 months.
जो कीमत है, वास्तविक कीमत 25 लाख रुपए एकड़ के हिसाब से हमको जमीन खरीद के दे दे या जमीन के बदले जमीन कहीं भी दे दे।
While there is dissent over the centre's decision, the Chief Minister tweeted a word of assurance. No need to panic, there is ample time and precaution is built in the procedure to be adopted. The construction will take more than 36 months.
शिवराज सिंह जी का ट्वीट किया हुआ मैं समझता हूँ गलत है और वो भी अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के अगर ये बोले तो ये ठीक है, जो राजनीतिक कारण जो भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन उनने और उनकी टीम ने भी इसको मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि मतलब दिल से इसको एक्सेप्ट किया है। अब उनकी पार्टी के प्रधानमंत्री जी का डिसीजन है, ये उनका कहना है, बाकी ये ऐसा मानना नहीं है, ये नहीं हो सकता है।
Meanwhile, the Narmada Bachao Andolan, which has been vocal in its opposition, is now strategizing its next move.
इस निर्णय को हमारा कहना है कि तत्काल इस निर्णय को वापस लिया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये निर्णय एनसीए के बैठक में नहीं लिया गया है। हमारा कहना है कि ये निर्णय एक राजनीतिक निर्णय है, कानूनी आधारों के आधार पर नहीं लिया गया है।
Over 2.5 lakh people will be displaced in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Authorities say the project will irrigate lakhs of acres of land. But even as the development versus displacement debate rages on, these villagers invoke Narmada, an integral part of their history, now a river of controversy. In Dhar with camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das for NDTV.